嗨，我是 Flash Loans for Good。上海朋友你们好，我是新加坡来的刘文祥。DeFi is exploding. In 2021, crypto users grew from 106 million to 295 million. And Crypto.com predicts that by the end of this year, we will reach 1 billion users. DeFi brings many benefits to improving people's lives. It reduces unemployment, creates opportunities, and many more. But the sad truth is that less than 4% of the world population is using DeFi. That is why our mission is to increase user adoption to DeFi. One of the biggest problems in DeFi today is market volatility, and that can mean users lose a portion of their collateral due to liquidations, and this can be costly, as you can see from this slide. That is why we built a liquidation protection platform, and we hope that by minimizing liquidation risk, it will serve to achieve our mission of increasing user adoption. Let me show you how it works. We work with two key technologies, Gelato Networks and Aave. Gelato runs our monitoring backbone that keeps an eye on our users' health factors. Aave we use to source liquidity in order to repay user debts via their flash loans. Once the user connects their wallet to our UI, our onboarding process is just these three simple steps. Once the conditions that they set are met, the repay functionality is triggered and executed by our flash loan. Then, any collateral that is collected back, minus off any fees, is automatically returned to the user's wallet, and all this is done in a single transaction. Let me walk you through the user flow. For the user to set up to enable liquidation protection, they have to do these three steps. And each step requires one MetaMask transaction. The first is to set the desired health factor and maximum gas price. When you click on Update Threshold, the first MetaMask pop-up is for the fee to set up the flash loan. Next, the user chooses the collateral that they want to use to repay the loan. In this case, USDC. When they click Next, this MetaMask is to allow us to use our collateral to repay the loan. And finally, to enable monitoring, they click Start Monitoring, and the fee there goes to Gelato Networks to enable their monitoring. On the History tab, you can see a list of all the prior transactions, from transaction fees to collateral received. This is the team. I'm Sean John, the project owner. Aria handled our front end, and Wilson our back end. To better control user costs, we plan to deploy to Layer 2 Optimism. And Uniswap Labs' Chief Operating Officer says that to drive mass adoption to DeFi depends on two key areas, accessibility and usability. That is why since the start, we've always focused on simplifying and improving the user experience. We will continue to do so. And as automated security tools improve and more developers come on board Web3, we envision a future where one-click Web3 flash loan, not flash loan, but liquidation protection integration is possible. We are currently deployed on Polygon Mumbai, and that is the link to our GitHub repo. Thank you very much to the ETH Shanghai organizers by giving us this chance to build.